this is my dad Nathan. And we're making Slimy Gloop.
Slimy Gloop Creations. And where did you get this Slimy Gloop from?
A Christmas present.
A Christmas present. All right, so let's hop right into it and start making Slimy Gloop. You ready? All right.
And it comes with everything you need.
Yep, everything you need. And let's see what that everything is. Smells good. Maybe it's already goopy. Oh, there we go.
This is the slime packs you can get with kind of colors.
There's some glue in there.
And it even comes with sparkly slime.
Oh, let's open it up.
And what is this stuff?
I think it's some sand for texture. You can add sand to give the goop some texture. So, all right.
And it comes with food coloring too.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, let's get that out.
And the mixing strip.
What color food? What color dye is that?
Dark green.
Dark green. Here is some sodium tetraborate.
Yep.
There's another sodium tetraborate. You need that. Here is some clear glue.
We need some clear glue to make it.
Yep. Here is a container.
You need to measure scoops too.
Here goes another clear glue.
We might not need that, but
here is some sand for texture.
Yep.
Here is some glitter for a little,
a little decoration.
Yeah, decoration.
This is a little.
This
what
is
spoon?
a mixing spoon, but this one broke. This spoon broke, but we'll make do.
We could use this one.
Yep. Here is some green sand. If you want to give it a little pizzazz. Oh, and here is a secret glow in dark ingredient.
Oh yeah. So we can make it glow in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Just add a little color.
All right, that's all of that.
Just like
All right, we got some instructions here. What do you want to make? Alien Sneeze Glow Slimy Gloop? Do you want to make Gloppy Sloppy Slimy Gloop? Or do you want to make Monster Snot Slimy Gloop? Which one?
I would like the alien.
Alien Sneeze Glow Slimy Gloop.
Yes.
All right. This is all right. Let's get to it then. Since we broke our spoon, I'm gonna grab a replacement spoon.
Or we could just use this spoon.
It says use a provided spoon to scoop out 1 leveled spoonful of sodium tetraborate. So we do need a spoon. Let me go get one.
Oh, okay. Alien.
All right, I am back with the spoon, and so we are going to scoop out 1 leveled spoonful of sodium tetraborate. Here's your sodium tetraborate here. And I'm going to open this one. Or you open this one and I'm going to get something for you to put it in.
Okay. We already got something right here.
You might need that for something else.
Okay.
You pour.
What?
Yeah, you're not supposed to get that on your skin. Go wash your hands.
Jesus.
All right, so we are ready. We are making Alien Sneeze Glow Slimy Gloop, right?
Yep.
All right, so let's just get all the sodium tetraborate into this container. Yeah, I'm gonna let you pour it. Yeah, just pour it in there. It's gonna be easier.
Every single one?
Yep, it's gonna be easier for us to maneuver. Let me take that off there.
You shocked it.
It's not toxic, but you don't want it on your skin. Definitely don't want it in your eyes. Here you go. Here, dump that in there.
Dump it in there, okay.
Yeah.
Easy.
All right. Just
I'll close my eyes and my mouth.
Don't worry about it. Just get that in there. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to put it on. All right, we're gonna get this over here. Set that to the side. And the first step is to take a spoonful of this. Okay, this is just a spoonful. Take a spoonful of that. All right, you hold that spoon. Balance it. All right, and we're gonna mix that with how many fluid ounces? 0.8, 25 milliliters of warm water. So that's the warm water. You can go ahead and pour that in there. Good. Now stir that up until the sodium borate tetraborate dissolves. Stir
What
it.
does that mean?
Dissolves until you can't see that powder that you just poured in there.
Let me see. I can see it anymore.
Okay.
I can barely see it.
Okay, keep pouring. I can kind of hear it.
I'm not supposed to hear it or see it?
Yeah, just keep stirring until it's just cloudy water or something.
It looks like cloudy water, that's it.
Let me see.
Can you hear it?
I can see it a little bit.
Is that it?
Alright, you keep stirring. Be careful with it. Alright, the next step is to take another 25 milliliters of water and mix it with the glue. So I'm going to pour the glue in here because we need 16 milliliters of glue. This is our little measuring apparatus. That's a lot of glue when you think about it.
That's it.
All right, perfect. Let's set that to the side for a second.
Put it right here.
A little bit more glue. And when you're measuring, you're actually supposed to put it on a flat surface and then see if it meets the line. That looks about right. All right. This next part is important. Now, you're going to mix this glue into the second set of water, and then you're going to stir it with this wooden stirrer.
That's not the right glue. I mean, not the right.
Yeah, that's the one that does not have the sodium tetraborate in it.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Here you go.
Pour it in there?
Yeah, pour that in there.
All of it?
All of it.
Dump it.
Oh, yeah. Shake it. Give it a little shake. Shake, rattle, and roll. There you go.
It's not going.
Let me see.
It's a lot of it in
Let me see
there.
if I can scoop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can scoop it really good.
Oh, yeah, babe. Now, you stir this mixture here. You give that a good stir.
So you can see it?
Now, we're going to actually add in half of this glow-in-the-dark sand. And that's going to give it that pizzazz that you want.
That one in the dark stuff? Okay, done.
Is that done? Is it?
Yeah.
Does it glow in the dark? Look and see if it's glowing in the dark. Take a look.
No.
Why not? Oh, well. Oh, that's not sand at all.
No sand?
Is this glow in the dark sand now? Oh, is that glowing?
Kind of. A teensy bit.
Teensy bit? Okay, this must be our sand.
I don't know. I really think this.
Nah, this is it. It's glowing.
Yep.
Alright, we are going to put half of this into that with you. Okay, sand just slipping through my fingers.
Okay, that's it?
Keep,
No, sir?
would you say that's about half?
Yeah, I'll say that's about half.
Okay.
No stir?
Yes, no stir. Now you're going to add 2 drops of green dye.
Okay. Maybe that's kind of glowing. Okay. Well,
Hold it up high. And turn it upside down. Turn it. Keep turning. All right. Here comes the first drop. Give it a little squeeze. 1. All right. Perfect. One more little squeeze. One more little squeeze. Ah, perfect.
Okay, done.
And done.
Whoa.
You gotta reach out there.
Can you see it?
Spill it. You see it? All right. Yeah. Okay, keep stirring. I'm gonna keep reading. Now, slowly pour this solution into this bowl.
All of it?
Should be good. Ooh, it's thick. It's the glue. It's green. Get it, scrape it real good.
Scraping it with the... That's about it.
Is that it?
Yep.
Yep. That's it. All right. Now, hopefully, if we done this right, we have one more step. Now, let me get this a little shake and bobble.
And then,
now, you are going to slowly pour this into this green solution.
and then we're going to get our slime.
And then you're going to stir it into slime. But yes.
Okay.
All right, pour it in there slow. Don't split. Don't let it. You don't want it to splash on you or anything. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's already changing. Oh, it's science at work. Okay, stir. Stir it.
Okay.
Stir. Yeah. Yeah. Work that wrist. Stir. Yeah, like you cooking eggs.
I'm cooking eggs. I'm cooking eggs.
Yeah.
Real fast?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
it looks like a little globe.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
The globe is turning bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
I'm kind of cutting the globe.
Yeah. Stir it up.
It's cool.
Yeah. Eggs. Green eggs and ham.
I'm cooking eggs and ham. Green eggs and ham. I'm cooking up green eggs and ham.
Oh, okay. All right. Can I stir it a little bit?
Yep.
All right.
You're cooking green eggs and ham. That one was here. That one was here, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's that slime.
Oh yeah, it's getting slimy. It's getting thicker.
Thicker, thicker, thicker.
Do it look like green alien sneeze?
What does it look like?
Does this look like an alien sneezed it out?
Kind of.
All right, here, you keep stirring.
Okay.
Stir it up.
Oh, it's kind of hard to stir.
Yeah, it's getting harder and harder. There you go. Good job. All right, this is our first time close to successfully making slime. We tried to make slime before, and what happened?
I forgot.
It didn't work out. We just had a big mess.
It was just a big blob.
It was just a big blob.
Oh, that looks like slime.
Is that how it's supposed to look?
Yep, it does. Can you touch it with one hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna take it out.
You gonna take it out?
Mm-hmm. Ah, it's sticky. Hi. It looks like I'm going in the dark. Ah.
Ew, it's sticking to you. Maybe we should stir it some more.
Ah, it's
Open
ah.
your hand.
I'm touching it looks like spiderweb slime, right?
Mm-hmm. All right, I think this is as consistent as we're going to get it. All right, Ethan, I want you to reach in here and grab this alien sneeze slime goop creature and pull it out and show what we got.
Okay, can I have it?
Reach in there. Reach it, yeah. Full, yeah. There it goes. What is it supposed to stretch? Supposed to be like stretchy?
Yeah.
Oh, it broke. Let me see.
Oh, at least it can come back together.
Yeah, it can come back together.
Yeah.
And it does.
Can the napkin? Where do you put the napkin? There it is.
Look at it.
Oh, it's so stretchy.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can
Oh,
stretch
one
it.
last test. Will it glow in the dark? Because it's supposed to glow in the dark.
Yeah. It looks like it can. Let's cut the lights off.
Cut the lights and see if it glows.
Okay.
All right. That's one.
I got that one. Oh no. My hand just...
Come.
It's not glowing. It's not glowing. It doesn't glow in the dark, but at least we made some stretchy slime.
Yeah. It is slime. That's alien sneeze glow slimy gloop. Next time we can make gloppy sloppy slimy gloop. And after that, we can make monster snot slimy gloop. How does that sound? All right, I think that's it. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.
And I hope you have a good time.
Yeah.